cardiovascular or inflammatory disease after potassium level checked in the first week of taking Yasmin. The pill does not protect against HIV or sexually transmitted diseases. Women, especially over 35, should not smoke. Serious risks include blood clot and heart attack. Your doctor can tell you more about Yasmin with DRSP. So ask if it's right for you. And do rain or shine, Yasmin DRSP. It's what's inside that counts.
Long John Silver just came out with these new Parmesan-crusted fish balls. You don't need to dip them.
Fish bites. Incredibly $1.99. Only at Long John Silver's.
Yes. The all-new Victory Vegas jackpot with custom-inspired theme. With a super fat 250 rear tire. You may think we chose style or substance. Until you start out. Vegas jackpot. With 50 golden really became freedom and Crude 16 overdrive. It's the new generation of American Victory, the new American motorcycle. Take the Victory challenge. Just go to Victory to get a limited edition t-shirt.
Michelle Branch and Jessica Harp are the records. The records stand still. Look ready. The debut album in stores May 23rd.